मैंने बिहार में भी काम किया, यूपी से मैं हूँ। बहुत सारे गाँव में जब हम जाते थे तो हम गांव में क्या देखते थे सर, कि हमेशा ये होता था कि लड़कियां, जैसे कि होता है अभी भी कई गांव में है कि लड़कियां जो हैं ये काम कर सकती हैं, जहाज़ नहीं चला सकती हैं, ये सारे छोटे छोटे काम कर सकती हैं। तो वहाँ पर एक महिला थी, उन्होंने मुझे ये बहुत अच्छी एक चीज़ मुझे बताई और उन्होंने कहा, और ये मेरी अंडरस्टैंडिंग भी है, कि अगर आप लड़कियों को अचार और पापड़ और मसाले बनाना सिखाएंगे और लड़कों को जहाज़ कैसे बनता है वो सिखाएंगे और रॉकेट में कैसे जाते हैं वो सिखाएंगे, तो वो तो वही करेगा जिसकी की अपब्रिंगिंग जिस हिसाब से की गई है। लड़कों को मसाला और अचार और पापड़ बनाना सिखाइए और लड़कियों को जहाज़ चलाना सिखाइए, आप देखिए कि हमारी ज़िंदगियां कैसे पलट जाती हैं। और वो एक ऐसा मोमेंट था कि उससे मुझे एक्चुअली रियलाइज़ हुआ कि दिस इज़ ऑल अ मैटर ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटी एंड इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटी। आई डोंट थिंक वी इन आवर कंट्री नीड एनीथिंग स्पेशली टू बी डन फॉर आवर गर्ल चिल्ड्रन। आई डोंट थिंक that is required at all. All we need to do is to provide an equal opportunity. What you do for boys, just do it for girls. And that is something which is what we need. And I think the girls will do much, much better because by nature, by God's grace, that is how they are gifted. And the resilience, the commitment that they have, it is something which we all admire. So sir, I just take this opportunity to thank you. I know it was a very short time that I gave you this notice about the guidelines, because we also, sir, we have been trying to make it the best guideline. So in order to make it the best guideline, we have been going on working, and I didn't have really the opportunity to kind of give enough time for us to kind of discuss and deliberate. But that it has been going on in Doordarshan for more than a year. And I take this opportunity to thank somebody who is actually the person behind pushing this entire thing, and that's Vasanti. And UNICEF, Alka Malhotra. Unfortunately, she's traveling and she's not here, but I would like to thank you, Antara. Thank UNICEF for this wonderful collaboration. While the idea may be Doordarshan team's idea, but to give it shape, it is something important. So two things I wanted to say. Apart from the do's and don'ts, it's something very important we have mentioned here. And we have mentioned the principles for the gender sensitive programming, which is there on page 3. How actually the programming should follow these principles. We have also given the key gender terms here, sir. The key gender terms, because people don't understand what is the difference between the gender and sex. That people are not able to understand. So how do you define that? So there are key gender terms, and sir, just like a very important handbook, we have given over here the checklist for producing the gender sensitive programming. So here you make a concept, run the concept through this checklist to see whether you have actually kind of followed that principle of equity and justice. And as all of you were saying, that equality, इसमें ये भी है कि अगर आप men को दिखाते हैं कि वो टेबल पर खाना खा रहे हैं, आप वुमन को भी दिखाइए कि वो साथ में बैठ करके टेबल पर खाना खा रहे हैं. ये नहीं कि the man is sitting and eating and the woman is serving. So these are special things, sir. छोटी छोटी चीज़ों को भी हमने इसमें हाईलाइट करने की कोशिश की है. एंड वंस अगेन आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक यू सर, थैंक CEO at a very short notice. Always very supportive of anything that we do, and we are really grateful. MF to come over here, and of course to my entire DD team, Suman and everybody else who really have opened their heart and have laid this guideline which could be a model for the entire country. As Vasanti said, maybe the first ever guidelines on gender sensitive programming in the world. Maybe, I do not know, maybe some other guidelines might be there, but that is not important. What is important is that we will follow. So I would like to take this opportunity to thank Mayank also, who found time to be with us, and everybody who is present over here in this room. Thank you very much, and I can assure you that this is not going to be just a guideline. This is going to be something which is going to be the spirit of Doordarshan. Thank you very much.